Get the Marvel presents the history and features of Java. Hello, welcome back to Get the Marvel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the exciting world of Java. We're talking about one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Perfect for beginners, this video will break down Java's history, features, and some cool examples. Ready? Let's dive in. If you're new to coding or just curious about what Java is all about, you've come to the right place. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. Let's rewind to the early 1990s. A small team of engineers at Sun Microsystems, led by James Gosling, was working on a project called the Green Project. They were aiming to create a language for digital devices like set-top boxes and TVs. In 1995, Java was born. Initially, it was called Oak after an oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. So, Java, the language we use to program, has a name rooted in a coffee bean. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about what makes Java so special. Java is 1. Platform independent, write once, run anywhere. Thanks to the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, your Java code can run on any device that has a JVM. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. 2. Object-oriented, everything in Java is treated as an object, which helps in organizing and managing code effectively. Think of it as playing with Lego bricks, where each brick represents a piece of code. 3. Secure, Java has built-in security features that help protect your applications from viruses and hacking. Imagine having a digital security guard always on duty. 4. Robust, Java is designed to handle errors and exceptions gracefully. It's like having a safety net for your code. 5. Multithreaded, this allows Java to perform several tasks simultaneously. Imagine being able to juggle multiple balls at once. That's Java for you. Now, let's get into the Java's key functions and data types. 1. Functions. In Java, functions are called methods. They define behaviors for objects. For example, a dog object might have a bark method. Simple, right? 2. Data types. Java has several data types, but here are the basics. Int for integers like 1, 2, 3. Double for decimal numbers like 3.14. Boolean for true-false values. Char for single characters like a. This is a simple Java program that prints hello, world, to the console. See how easy it is? Everywhere. It's used in web applications, mobile apps, enterprise software, and even scientific applications. Major companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix rely on Java for their operations. So, learning Java can open a world of opportunities. And that's a wrap on our Java journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Get the Marvel. Stay tuned for more tech adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay awesome.